What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I reactivated my Etsy account simply by just emailing them and just waiting and see. So let me show y'all. If you're having trouble, let me show y'all how to do this. Alright guys, so on my screen, I'm on the Etsy help center just to show you guys exactly what I did to recover my Etsy account, because I was just like you, wondering what happened, why was my account suspended. So this is what I'm gonna show you. So first, go to the Etsy help center, and usually they're supposed to send you an email, but they never send me one. I just had to research, and somebody mentioned in a comment, I believe it was Joe, if I'm not mistaken, my guy named Joe that helped me out and also said, hey, you gotta email Etsy. So that's what we did. Yo, Joe Gutierrez, shout out to Joe Gutierrez. Email Etsy to see and find out. So of course right here you go to selling on Etsy. So we want to scroll down and go to your Etsy account, right? So of course setting, and I don't even think this is the right one. So sometimes you just gotta go and see, let me see, make sure your Etsy account, contacting Etsy, how to appeal my suspended account. Alright, so you just go to how to appeal my suspended account, and of course Etsy gonna make you sign in, so you might wanna already sign in to check that out. And you're just gonna click appeal my account suspension, and all it's gonna do is send Etsy an email. Alright, it's just gonna send Etsy an email. So just tell them, just put your email subject account suspension or account deactivation, and just say, hey, good or greetings, I would like to appeal my account. So even in the subject you can put appeal, appeal suspension or appeal shop. All I said was I would like to appeal my shop, because I just created it. I just created it with the hours it was taken down. Please, I would like to appeal and receive my shop back or reactivate my shop. And that's all I did. And of course down here, why was your account closed? Etsy closed my account because of policy violation, but I didn't do nothing wrong. You probably didn't do nothing wrong, so don't go create another shop right away. Just appeal it and just wait for that email. And of course, gonna show y'all the email that I received back probably in a day or two, that they reactivated my account. So it's all in the waiting game. It's nothing serious that you just have to everything's not lost. Everything's still gonna be there. Just make sure you go to that help desk. Like I said, go to the help center, go to the account settings, just go appeal it. Contact Etsy, how to appeal my suspended account. So that's all you have to do. Wait for that email. Be patient in this, because they will reactivate, especially if you're a new user on Etsy. That's what happened to me. I was a new user thinking everything fine dandy. I was ready, but then hours later they took it down. So if you're lost, hey, this is what you need to do, and they will reactivate it right away, maybe in a day, or maybe not even. It might not even take a whole day. It just depends on when they get back to you. But make sure you guys do this, and I promise you, your account's gonna be back. But this is all I have for this video. I just wanted to show y'all and just tell y'all that I got my account back, my Etsy shop back. So might have the link in the description of my shop. So if y'all want to order something, I appreciate y'all. But that's all I have, guys. Make sure y'all send down some recommendations. Subscribe to the channel for more. And guys, y'all be blessed, be the best, and be you. I'm out.